All right, more research where you can share your opinion and join a database. So basically, you can become a paid product tester. Um, so basically, More Research Services Incorporation conducts thousands of interviews every year on a variety of different topics, including people from different opportunities to give their opinions about different products and services that they buy and use. We would never attempt to, sell you anything. We're only looking for opinions. Many types of research projects that we conduct give a typical $30 to $100, depending on the length of the study and amount of time required by participants. So you can join their panel. You're going to check your email for upcoming paid studies. You're going to fill out surveys to see if you qualify, and you're going to get conducted by more research and then participate and get paid. So they have a step by step process of what they follow in order for you to get selected. So you can go ahead and click to join the database here. And you're going to put in, your phone number, your email address, all of that good stuff. First name, last name, email, cell phone, birthday date, zip code, gender, um, skin tone. How did you hear about it? Enter your code, password, and then verify plan. Then you're going to click. You're going to click on the register, and then once you do all that, you're going to get an email to confirm your participation. That you have actually signed up for it, and then click on it, and you'll be locked into their database. Now they're going to be still looking for different criterias and all of that stuff, but it's really to your benefit that you answer all the questions that they have answered that they want you to ask when you set up your profile and all of that good stuff. But it's a really good company to make $30 to $100 with. I'm a big advocate for them. I have participated with them in the past and I've gotten paid. Um, but they do take a little bit of time to process the funds. So just don't be, quick to say, where's my money at? They do process in a manly time. But other than that, you have a great day. All right. Welcome back to a new day here, Money Makers. And as always, we stay making you make money. This is called Ironwood Insight, so you can join their market research panel now. They pay cash for your opinions. Joining is quick, easy, and free. We want to hear what you have to say. Opinion Share sponsors many different types of market research companies, from online surveys, focus groups, take tests, online research communities, and other market research activities. We do this for businesses all over the world, and you can go ahead and click to join their panel right here. Um, just make sure that you're not giving your information to any lookalikes. It's going to come directly from Ironwood Insights, different insight surveys. They've been around for a little while. You can read some of the, what they do and where they're from here on their website. But I'm not going to make this video too long. I just wanted to kind of get you exposed to other different websites just in case you were trying to get focus, just in case you were trying to get into focus groups or surveys or things like that, and the other websites were not working. You can come here to Ironwood Insights, and they will give you the money to for your opinion. But other than that, you all have a great and wonderful day. Bye now.